I try not to look like I only got 1 hour of sleep last night editing the other video. I need one of those like backpacks with the leash on it or something. Where'd you go, Kev?
Huh?
Where'd you go?
I'm looking at stuff. It's SEMA.
I'm just like walking and look behind me, he's gone.
Day 2.
Day 2 of SEMA. We're hoping today to do a little bit more exploring than we were able to do yesterday. A lot of you guys had commented saying that you were looking forward to us kind of showcasing a lot of the JL products. But I did want to say that if you really want a more in-depth view and look at all the new Jeep stuff that is here at SEMA, I would highly recommend going to check out Way of Life's videos. He's doing a good job of walking around and looking at all the Jeeps and going over what's on them. So since he's doing such a great job at that, Kevin and I instead are going to focus more today on doing a little bit of networking because we love giving back to our subscribers and saying thank you in every way that we can. So, where did he go? Kevin! Jesus! A leash! I'm telling you, I need a leash.
What?
So Kevin and I love giving back to our subscribers so much. So today instead, we are going to focus on networking and trying to build relationships with a lot of companies that will hopefully help us to elevate this channel to the point where we can do so much more for you guys, for our subscribers, give back to you, do these giveaways, go out and meet you and travel. We've met people at SEMA today from Belgium, France, Australia.
We want to do these giveaways. We want to travel. We want to be able to come out, meet everybody, and provide products and everything. This is our dream, and this is what we want to focus on.
So that's what we're doing today. Today, our goal is to make the connections we need, continue bringing you giveaways, to continue bringing you awesome, rad, rowdy content at every possibility.
From all over the world.
From all over the world.
We're actually making this all over the world thing happen.
So that's today's goal. That's what we're doing.
Yeah.
Okay, now what cool thing caught your attention that you had to wander away again?
This is a IFS conversion for a Jeep. That is insane. Hey, how do we look for 3 hours of sleep, guys?
God. I was up until 5:30 a.m. editing that day 1 video because we didn't get back to the hotel until midnight.
Yeah, it was pretty bad.
But it was worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and my lack of sleep is paying off.
Let's go.
So the fast fit comes in a pouch. All you do is you take this tool, you open up the wire basket, you take the end of your broken winch rope, and then you simply insert that into the wire basket, hold onto this, and grab on the end. Now that's going to grip the end of the rope here. Once you have this stuff done, you're going to measure your bury length, how deep you want to bury the splice, and all of this rope is all essentially made the same. It's all got a hollow core. So you push this rope together, it's going to expand the rope, and then it'll use the tool to open and be able to pierce that winch line. And that's going to be able to start making the end of your winch rope again. So you can reuse your metal tube thimble or use one of our rope spools. But you usually want to go through here about 2 or 3 times in order to help like lock the loop into place.
So you damage your winch line, you have to cut it, you break it, whatever it is, and you just literally get your tool out and fix it.
Exactly. Start to repair this thing like right here on the trail. Once you open that up, then you're going to take this tool and then be able to start to bury this thing down the center section of the rope. So now you're taking the tool and going down the whole middle. You keep working this down to expand this over to where the fid comes out the center section, and then you just simply work the rope fibers over top of the wire basket to where it comes out that center section. Take the wire basket off, take the end of your loop, pull that thing tight, and then now you're back to your rope being back at full braking strength. It's that easy. So everybody thinks splicing a winch rope is super difficult, but it's not hard whatsoever.
Little pouch and everything.
We've had a lot of subscribers asking us about off-roading safety, which maybe Kevin and I aren't the best people to preach that.
Off-road safety.
But it is very important, especially when it comes to winching. So we just paid a visit to Factor 55. Not only are they coming out with a basic guide to winching, sneak peek. When Kevin and I get back from Japan, we will go over in greater and larger detail, and we will hopefully help you guys learn along with us on this amazing journey that is off-roading. quick update on the LS3 JL motor swap. LS3 is in, it's running. They're putting 1-tons in it and a PSC hydraulic kit at the moment. But it has an LS3 and it's running. What? That's insane. So I found a JLU on 49s. The tire's as big as you, Kevin. It's on 49-inch tires. I don't know how functional it is, but it flexes a sure heckin' lot. Look, you can stand under there.
Got some Curry axles.
Curry axles.
Rock Jock Curries.
Good Lord.
He's not even on bump stop yet.
See, there's plenty of people out there that are crazier than us.
Yeah, don't put it past me. I would totally do that. But I don't know how they're running that with the stock motor.
Is it the stock?
That was the stock JL motor.
Stock
right?
JL motor. Oh my God.
Turn up. Let's go.
For my Toyota people, I found a Tacoma. It's actually really nice. I kind of wanted to show off. That one didn't last very long.
I know, the whole thing.
You did it to the Johnnies. Everybody give it up for Danger Dan and Sharko! How you moving the dip? How you moving the dip? That thing looks terrifying to drive. I don't know about you guys. That's supposed to happen. That's supposed to happen. All right, Brady, let's give him a hip hand. Well,
The
Bad Daddy
insanity.
is qualifying, so let's give it up for Bad Daddy.
I just saw you guys look next to each other. I was like, missing a lot.
Oh no!
Broke anything.
Oh no! I love a small burnt collection in the afternoon.
We got 2 cars for you.
So for those of you that don't realize what's going on, there's so much rubber that is laid down on this small section of tarmac that a lot of these cars are having a ton of trouble breaking traction to spin the wheels. You can't spin the tires, you spin something else.
Everybody give it up for Micah Didi!
It's Marvel!
You guys think you should get this?
who know drifting, Formula Drift, you'll recognize this next car and this next driver. For those of you who don't, let's just say he comes from a land down under. And he's freaking phenomenal.
The brakes are on fire. The brakes. What a perfect way to end the show, huh? I know you guys can't see it, but all of the brakes are on fire. This tire is completely delaminated. Looks like there's something on fire underneath.
Real life, you have to end this.
I don't even know how.
End it. End it.
It is Halloween in Las Vegas. We are on Fremont, and it is freaking fantastic. I have Axel, I have Kevin. We love you guys. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you
Or I'll
next time.
cut you next time. Or I'll cut you next time.
Let's go.
I'm not getting up, so I'm gonna film you right here because I'm way too hungover to move. You look good though.
Do I? It's because I have glasses on. You can't see the rest of my face. I don't feel good. So many bad decisions.
Are you gonna show these decisions on your video?
No. Drink way too much. No, you're too close. Oh, yeah. I vaguely remember taking off my Freddy Krueger hat and maybe throwing up in it.
Because you were in an Uber.
Because we were in an Uber and they wouldn't pull over. Oh,
Well,
God.
He didn't know you were throwing up.
Oh, he didn't?
No.
Oh.
We started talking to him really loud and like distracting him while you were throwing up in the hat. That was the most silent throw up I've ever not heard in my life.
What did I do? Good times though. Those good memories. What I can remember of it.